Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning back in. So if you have an iPhone that maybe just has a lightning port or even a lightning port and an audio jack, and you're looking for a microphone to attach to it to do videos, then I have something that's pretty cool. So this is the COMICA V01SP, and we're going to take a look and see what's in the box, but this is made to plug in directly to a lightning port, and you don't need any other types of adapters or accessories. So let's get started and see what's in the box. Now my phone, because it's a little older, I can show you right here, actually still has both ports. I think this is a 6S or a 7. So I have both ports. I have a lightning and an audio jack, so I could really use any type of microphone, whether it's an 1/8 inch or lightning. But being that I'm probably going to upgrade and want to have that option and not have all these adapters, I wanted something direct that I could actually use. So this here, COMICA provides the V01SP, and they have two different sizes or lengths. So I got the longer one. This is 6 meters, so pretty long. And I did that only because I figured, if I want to sit a little bit further away from the camera, or maybe I'm interviewing someone, I don't want to have that worry that they're only maybe 3 meters away from me, and it's too close and it might pull something over. So the 6 meters I felt was really good. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's here. It's just quick things. It says works with all these different iPhones, everything from the 5s up to XR, iPad Pros, Minis, Airs, Touch, anything that has a lightning port on it. And let's go ahead, check this out. So open that up right there. So here, getting started, we have a little warranty instruction, as well as, what's this? This is a certification, so it passed their quality control. There it is, right there in the box. And as I mentioned, I really do like the COMICA products. They do sound pretty good. A lot of them, especially for the price, because they're inexpensive. But if you're looking to do videos and just sound great, this would be the way to go. So you can see how much cable is there. It comes with a little tie strap there. It'll probably Velcro. Yep, Velcro tie strap. The lightning connector there on the end, as well as, let's see, is there anything here that has to happen? No, there's no on and off switch, anything like that. So probably you plug it in, it's good to go. Comes with a little windscreen as well as your tie clip. Nice thing about this is it's actually metal, so it's not a plastic tie clip, which is great. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna plug it in real quick to my phone, gonna see how it sounds. Let's go ahead and just check that out. Got the lightning port there on the bottom, right here, plugs in. It fits, right? Pretty cool. So let's see how it sounds. Hey, checking out to see how the COMICA mic sounds plugged into the lightning port. That sounds pretty clear, and I didn't have to adjust any levels. That's what's in the box of the V01SP COMICA lightning microphone. Really cool. And make sure, again, you look for that review and full audio demo of this microphone. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. And I will see you guys real soon.